I was more in the religious world,
Yeah.
but I loved the Yiddish music because I listened to the famous singers that were recorded at the time who sang Yiddish, and of course we spoke Yiddish was my first language, and our house was only spoke Yiddish. My father, who had been in America for many years, knew how to count up to 10 in English, and that was about it.
Where did he come from in Europe?
He came from a town called Chmelnik, which was not
Poland.
far from in
Częstochow.
Poland. Not, and my mother came from a place called Stashev. And to be honest with you, all my years in yeshiva, when I wrote home, in those years we didn't have email, but we wrote letters. They were all in Yiddish. It was our matter of fact, when I went into kindergarten, they sent me home because I manishtana-ed everything I said. You know, manishtana-ed is, why should I go to the Bronx by bus when it's quicker by subway? You know, and the Protestant English teachers couldn't take this kind of sing-song in the public schools.